guys, welcome back to Just Maria. Today I'm excited to show you my review of my first home waxing kit from Tress Wellness. I get so excited when I received the product, and on my first section of the video I'm going to show you my unboxing. So I'm very excited to open it. So here now, I'm opening it. And look, here it is. Ta-da! It has a very nice packaging. I like the color. And here are what's included in the kit. And it's also written, complete waxing kit with digital wax warmer. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Tea tree, lavender, lemon, that's eucalyptus, peppermint. These are the spatulas, I assume. And you also have the after wax spray and more smaller spatulas. What else in the box? Of course, your Tress Wellness waxing kit. Oh, and these are the atomizer spray and your free wax spray. You also get the manual and the beginner's guide. I think that's for me. And what's this? Oh, it's like a thank you letter for purchasing this item. So that's my unboxing part, and now I'm going to show you how you can do the waxing, or the instruction how you can do it. So let's start with the instruction, and I've chosen the tea tree hard wax beans to use. The first step is to pour Tress Wellness wax beans into the pot and turn the temperature to maximum. For faster result, put the lid on. When the wax is half melted, take the lid off and set your desired temperature. Clean the area to be waxed with Tress Wellness Pre-Wax Spray and wait until it's dry. Tress Wellness Pre-Wax Spray will help your skin to be in perfect condition for waxing. Place a protective collar ring on the rim of the wax warmer. Use a spatula to scoop and apply a small amount of wax on the skin to test. Apply the wax with pressure in the direction of the hair growth. Use firm pressure to ensure that each hair wraps in wax. Work in small, manageable sections. Wait about 30 to 45 seconds until the wax is not sticky. Stretch the skin and lift the edge of the wax. Peel off the wax quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. After waxing, use the Tress Wellness After Wax Spray to smoothen and moisturize the skin. Tress Wellness After Wax Spray can also be used to clean up residual wax on the skin and wax warmer. So, it's easy, isn't it? So, if you are like me, who are searching for an option to reduce some of your costs due to high inflation right here in Germany, then I would suggest to get this home waxing kit from Tress Wellness. It's very effective, and you can also do at home, so you don't have to go out. You can also save a lot of money, and Christmas is almost here, so I think it's a good gift for the ladies out there, and not just for the ladies but for brave men as well. So on my instruction video, I did it on my arm, but the other areas where you can wax is your eyebrows, your face, and your lips. You can also do it in your underarm. I did it in my underarm, and it's really good. I'm really satisfied because it's almost a month since I waxed my underarm, and up to now the hair hasn't grown back yet. And I also have some experience with some Brazilian waxing in the past, and I would say it hurts a bit, of course, because it's a bit sensitive down there. So I would say it's almost the same feeling with using the waxing kit from Tress Wellness. And one thing I like is the scent of the after wax spray. It has a smell of like coconut, and I personally love the smell of the coconut. I also like the fact that the wax gets dry fairly quick, so you don't have to wait a long time before you can pull it off. So all in all, if you're gonna ask me how will I rate the product, I would say 9 out of 10. I would say I give 9 because of course there is always some more room for improvement. So the product is already very good, I would say, and but maybe you have some more suggestion, or maybe some ideas how they can improve the product based on the video which I have sent to you. So I do hope that you enjoy watching my unboxing video with instruction and my comment in using the product, and see you again next time. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, or if you are new to my channel, then please do hit the subscribe button down below, give me a thumbs up, and share it as well. See you next time. Bye for now.